Охереть. Убийца.
Massive Russian aerial attack targets Kharkiv, killing at least 3. Kharkiv's mayor, Ihor Terekhov, said the attack damaged 18 apartment buildings and 13 private homes. According to him, it was the most powerful attack on the city since the full-scale invasion in 2022. A large Russian attack with drones and missiles has hit Ukraine's eastern city of Kharkiv on Saturday, killing at least 3 people and injuring 21, local officials said. The barrage, the latest in near-daily widescale attacks, included aerial glide bombs that have become part of a fierce Russian onslaught in the 3-year war. The intensity of the Russian attacks on Ukraine over the past weeks has further dampened hopes that the warring sides could reach a peace deal anytime soon, especially after Kyiv recently embarrassed the Kremlin with a surprise drone attack on military air bases deep inside Russia. According to Ukraine's Air Force, Russia struck with 215 missiles and drones overnight, and Ukrainian air defenses shot down and neutralized 87 drones and 7 missiles. Several other areas in Ukraine were also hit, including the regions of Donetsk, Dnipropetrovsk, Odessa, and the city of Ternopil, Ukrainian Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha said in a post on X. To put an end to Russia's killing and destruction, more pressure on Moscow is required, as are more steps to strengthen Ukraine, he said. Kharkiv's mayor, Ihor Terekhov, said the attack also damaged 18 apartment buildings and 13 private homes. Terekhov said it was the most powerful attack on the city since the full-scale invasion in 2022. Kharkiv's regional governor, Oleh Syniehubov, said 2 districts in the city were struck with 3 missiles, 5 aerial glide bombs, and 48 drones. Among the injured were 2 children, a month-and-a-half-year-old baby boy and a 14-year-old girl, he added. The attack on Kharkiv comes one day after Russia launched one of the fiercest missile and drone barrages on Ukraine, striking 6 Ukrainian territories and killing at least 6 people and injuring about 80. Among the dead were 3 emergency responders in Kyiv, 1 person in Lutsk, and 2 people in Chernihiv. Meanwhile, the Ukrainian Air Force said it shot down a Russian Su-35 fighter jet on the Kursk front inside Russia, the Ukrainian daily Ukrainskaya Pravda reported. No more details were given immediately. U.S. President Donald Trump said this week that his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin, told him Moscow would respond to Ukraine's attack on Russian military airfields last Sunday with Operation Spiderweb. In a new statement bound to cause offense in Kyiv and amongst its allies, Trump told journalists on board Air Force One on Friday evening local time when asked about Operation Spiderweb. They gave Putin a reason to go in and bomb the hell out of them last night. That's the thing I didn't like about it. When I saw it, I said, here we go, now it's going to be a strike. Like and subscribe for more.